So now the first of all mechanism of the Calvin cycles or the C3 cycles. Okay, so first of all carboxylations take place, then the reductions take place, and then the regenerations take place. The carboxylation is the addition of the carbon dioxide with the RUBP to form two molecules of the 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Then the first of all some reasons I will discuss further. The first of all 6 RUBP plus 6 carbon dioxide gives the first of all 2 into 6, that is 12 molecules of the 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Now the reductions take place. What is in the first step in the reductions, the addition of the phosphate take place, and it forms a 3-phosphoglyceric acid, that is equal to 12 phosphoglyceric acid to 12 molecules of 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric acid. Now the step 2 is the phosphate reductions, that is a removal of the hydrogens. Okay, removal of the hydrogens. Here the NADPH is converted into the NADPH plus. Okay, removal of not a removal of the hydrogen, actually step 2 is the first of all addition of the hydrogens. Addition of the hydrogen or the addition of the electron is called a reduction. Okay, the first of all here 1,3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into the first 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, understand it, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. So now it is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, that is 12 molecules of 1,3-bis-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into the first of all by using the 12 NADPH. By using 12 NADPH, here it is 12 ATP. Remember it carefully, 12 ATP, 12 NADPH, then the first one it is converted into the 12 molecules of the phosphoglyceraldehyde, which is further divided into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and then phosphoglyceraldehyde. Its function we will discuss. So now this 2-phosphoglyceraldehyde is now further first of procedure reactions, that is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde plus 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. It is split, and the first of all one of the phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into DHAP, that is DAP, commonly known as DAP. The first of all commonly known as DAP, remember it. Then the first of all these reactions, that is a 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde plus DAP is converted into the glucose. So 2 molecules of the phosphoglyceraldehyde form the glucose. Okay, now the first the regenerations of RUBP. The first 10 phosphoglyceraldehyde formed. Now by using the 6 ATP, it forms a 6 RUBP. So the 6 RUBP which we have used in the first all carboxylations are now first of all further came. So the first of all 6 cycles of the Calvin cycles or the C3 cycles gives 1 glucose, and the first of all again 6 RUBP. Okay, so this is the Calvin cycle. So this is the chart of the Calvin cycle, you can refer from the note. Now this is the C2 cycles. Okay, this is the first easiest chart, you can also refer this from the first of all notes. So in this the first of all chloroplast has peroxisomes and the mitochondria. The first of these C2 cycles take place in these organelles. Okay, so first of all what happens, the first of here the carbon dioxide acceptor, here the first of oxygenations take place by the with the help of the Rubisco. So first of all oxygenations of the RUBP take place, and it forms the first stable product of the C2 cycle is a phosphoglycolate. Phosphoglycolate. Now the first further it this one phosphate and forms a glycolate. The first glycolate. Now the first of all here the O2 is converted into H2O2 and it forms a glycolate to glyoxylate. Glyoxylate, and it is glycine. The first of all in the it is this glycolate to glyoxylate, and the glyoxylate to glycine take place in the peroxisome. Here it is take place in the first of chloroplast. Now the further glycine is converted into the serine in the mitochondria by the loss of carbon dioxide NH3 as well as hydrogen. Okay, carbon dioxide NH3 and as well as hydrogen. So this is called a serine, which has a 3 carbon. Remember this is a 3 carbon, this is a 2 carbon. Okay, 3 carbon serine is further converted into the first hydroxypyruvate. Okay, hydroxypyruvate here it first of all gain one electron and forms a hydroxypyruvate to first of all glyceric acid, and then first of all it first will use one phosphate again and forms of phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, this is a C2 cycle. Now further we will discuss of this is a C4 cycle in which the first of all carbon dioxide acceptor. Here the carbon dioxide acceptor is a phosphoenol pyruvate. The first stable product is oxaloacetic acid. The first stable product is oxaloacetic acid, which has a 4 carbon. That's why it is known as a C4 cycle. Here the carbon dioxide is first of all added in the form of a carbon dioxide plus, which gives the first of all hydrogen carbonate. The first one proton is released, and the first it forms carbon cation, and the first of all it is used. Now first of all by the first of all hydrogen is used to oxaloacetic is converted into malate or the asparagus, or malate or asparagus. It is converted into this reaction is established in the mesophyll cells. Now further the malate is converted into the phosphol. This is PA. Then the phosphol PA is converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate again in the phosphol mesophyll cells. So now here the first of all malate to PA, first of all one carbon dioxide is released. Okay, one carbon dioxide released, and this carbon dioxide is used in the C3 cycles. Okay, and they use in the C3 cycle. So this is the C4 cycle. So factor affecting the first of photosynthesis, you can first of all easily understand from by reading the notes in your first of all biology textbook. So this is the most important topics of the first of all photosynthesis, and I sure that your concepts are clear. First of all watch 2 times or 3 times. So first of all understand or the clear your concepts. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe.